Good morning, all dear students. Myself Harish Kambar, and I'm present here. And today I will give you a solution of how to fill the correct form of verbs in a passage. And this was demanded by many of the students. The students had asked me to record a video on how to fill the correct form of verb, and the medium must be only English because I think that few of the students have problems in Hindi, and so that's why I'm here with the passage. And today the interpretation and the medium of instruction will be only English. And when I am doing all this only for you, my dear students, so this is your responsibility and this is my request also to you. Please share this video to as much friends as you can. And now I start, and before starting, this is one more request. Please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, and you will receive the notifications of each and every important videos. Okay, so let's start. And dear students, one more thing, that previous important videos link have been given in the description box, and you can just click them and you can watch previous videos. And besides, you can follow me on Instagram, and you can join the Facebook group, and you can join the Telegram channel group. All these links have been given in the description box. Okay, so let's start now. And dear students, as I have told you, when you are going to start filling correct forms of verb in a passage, it must be understood that you have to read the passage two times. Read the passage two times, whether it is a passage with blanks for filling the verbs, whether it is an unseen passage. Okay, so let's start now and we read it. An example has also been done here. My guide, this is tell. My guide, tell me, if I wanted to meet these people, I would have to walk 2 miles. So what did the guide say? The guide said that if you want to meet these people, you have to walk 2 miles. So the solution has been done here. What happened? My guide told me if I wanted to meet these people, I would have to walk 2 miles. Okay. And now the main problem starts from here. Okay, check it. We finally, and sorry students, there is one mistake, very short mistake, and here must be reach the village. The village. Okay, we finally reach the village where I meet a lady whose age I cannot make out. He met the lady and he was not knowing about the age of the lady. My translator find it difficult to interpret the lady's words because her dialect was quite different. Now suppose if a citizen of city, if a person living in city goes to a village and he talks to the persons, their dialect, their speaking style is quite different. So the translator was not sure about the dialect and they could not understand the language. Okay. Now she, be, and I told you that be is just an auxiliary and it has many forms like is, are, am, was, were. All these are the forms of be. So here can be anything: she is, she was, she were, as you think. She was a dark skinned lady. She must have been around 70 years old, but there was no grey in her hair. It means the lady was around 70 years, but there was no grey hair or white hair in her hair. Next, nobody knew the secret of her black hair, and it must have been a secret common to all, for It was a common secret for all the people living in that village because no people in that village had gray hair. And next, for not one person has a trace of gray hair. I think I think about it for a long time. So, my dear students, as I can guess that you have understood this passage very well, and I hope that you have already filled their blanks in your minds. But I give you the solution, just check it. The whole story is going in past tense. You must understand that whole story is going in past tense, so all the forms will be in past. Check it. First is reach. So what will be the past form? Reached. What will be the past form? Reached. Reached the village where I meet. This is first form. And what we should fill it with? Past form is met. Met. You must have watched the movie Jab We Met. What does it mean? When we met, I met a lady whose age what? How much age was? Whose age I cannot. What will be the past? Could not. Could not make out. Could not make out means he could not understand or he could not guess the age of the lady. My translator, find. So what will be the past of find? It will be found. Okay? It's difficult to interpret the lady's words because her dialect was quite different. She and here what will be the past form of be? Past form of be are was and were. But here the past form will be was because it is singular. Clear? She was a dark skinned lady. She must have been around 70 years and 70 years old, but there was no gray in her hair. Nobody knew the secret. Past form of know is knew. Knew. Knew the secret of her black hair. It must have been a secret common to all. For not one person has. And what will be the past of has? The past of has is had. Clear? A trace of grey hair. I. And what will be the past of think? Past of think is thought. And thus the whole passage is filled with correct forms of verb. Now you can check that everywhere in the blanks are only past form because the whole story was going in the past form. And there are no other words which can tell you that there must be continuous tense. There is not a continuous tense and there is not any ing form. So you can guess this is very simple and easy passage. Next time I will give you a complicated passage. A complicated means it may have different kind of verbs and different kind of sentence patterns, tense patterns. Maybe there is not filled only second form or past form on third form. There must be present, past, future, continuous forms. Every kind of forms may be filled in that passage. So next time I will give you a complicated passage, and this time this is very easy passage. You can just note down and you can prepare it for your exams. And this video is only for you, so please dear students, share to your friends as much as you can. And thanks for watching this video. I hope that you will be enjoying and you will be getting benefited by these videos. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.